Hello, today we will guide you through how to add subdomain in Cloudflare. To begin, open Cloudflare and go to your account homepage. This is the main dashboard where all of your connected websites and domains are listed. Once you're there, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one website. Starting from the account homepage helps make sure you're making changes in the right place. Next, click on the sample domain you want to manage. This will open that domain's settings and controls. In Cloudflare, each domain has its own dashboard, so selecting the correct one is an important step before making any dash changes. If you have several similar domain names, it's a good idea to double check before continuing. After the domain dashboard opens, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on DNS. This section contains the DNS settings for your domain, including the records that tell internet traffic where your website and subdomains should point. If you're adding a subdomain, this is the area where that setup happens. Once you're in the DNS section, click on Records. This will show the list of existing DNS records for the domain. Reviewing this page can be helpful because it lets you see what is already configured. It can also help you avoid creating duplicate records or conflicting entries. From there, click on Add Record. This opens the form where you'll create the new DNS entry for your subdomain. Cloudflare supports several record types, and choosing the right one matters depending on what you want the subdomain to do. In the new record form, click on the Type dropdown. This is where you choose the kind of DNS record you want to create. For this setup, you'll be using a syname record, which is commonly used when a subdomain should point to another domain name rather than directly to an IP address. Select syname, then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Cloudflare will prompt you to enter the required information, such as the subdomain name and the destination it should point to. Make sure the values you enter match the service or host you're connecting to. It's also worth noting that DNS changes can sometimes take a little time to propagate, so the subdomain may not work instantly after saving. And that's it. Once the record is saved, your new subdomain has been added in Cloudflare.